In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a custom project folder in Claude. So once you've logged in and you can see the chat, what you want to do is go over here to the sidebar and scroll down here till you get to projects. Just click it and you'll have an opportunity to start a new project. So let's go ahead and do that. You can see a couple that were created already, but let's go ahead and add a new project so that you can see what the interface is like. So once the project folder is open, go ahead and give it a useful name. So in this case, maybe it's something like creative writing because Claude is the best at creative writing. If you're going to write some kind of a manuscript or important reports and it needs to be in your unique voice, style, and tone, then I highly recommend using Claude. Go ahead and give a brief description of what it is you're going to try and do with this folder and then create project folder. Right in this area right here is where you're going to paste your custom instructions. These would be essentially the same kind of instructions you would have put into your custom GPT. And right here is where you're going to add folder files, just like in the custom GPT. These would be the documents, PDFs, Word documents, spreadsheets, whatever it is that you're going to train this unique project folder on. Um, these project folders do have their own memory, and so all of your chats related to this creative writing topic, for example, is going to be where you want to have those conversations. You don't want to just randomly start chatting in the general chat box. You want to keep your chats focused inside this folder to take advantage of the training materials that you've uploaded here. So in my case, for example, I've written a book, so I might upload the entire manuscript of a book in here, maybe some copies of some blog posts I've written in order to help it capture my unique style. And so, but yeah, right here in the instructions again, this is where you tell it what to do with the information. So you would want to give it the role. You're going to act as, in this case, perhaps something like a professional writing editor, and you're going to coach me on how to improve my writing, making suggestions around grammar, um, engagement, creative use of emotion phrases, avoiding cliches, that kind of thing. So, and then right in here, once you have this stuff uploaded, then you can actually start chatting with it, asking it questions about what you just trained it on. So this is where you want to do that in Claude.